G'day guys, I guess you're wondering why I'm here in the Hunter Valley, smack bang on the central coast of New South Wales. This is the place where they make canvas, and they make canvas for SupaFit Seat Covers because they use Australian-made canvas, and would you believe it's made from Australian cotton, grown in Australia by Australian farmers, and then they make it here into canvas. Peter, what are we going to go and have a look at, mate? I know there's canvas here somewhere.
We're going to see the start of our seat covers.
So it's grown from the dirt,
Australian cotton.
and then it ends up with dirt on it from Simon.
Pretty much, all you blokes.
Yeah. All right, mate, let's go and check her out.
No worries.
James, he's the guy that's going to show us through this factory.
So Wax Converters Textiles started by my parents in 1991. So we're in our 29th year of business, and we're a textile mill. We're a vertical mill. We started out with 2 people back in 91, making wax cotton for Dryzer-Bone aluminium style jackets. Very focused on Australian conditions and solutions for fabric requirements for outdoor textiles.
We wanted to do the highest quality, and it wasn't just nice and strong. It was the fact that these guys, chemical-wise, no bad chemical transfers from the material, which can occur, and we knew that, and we wanted material specifically for us, and that was heavy for the mining industry, strong for the mining industry, and also then the product would be comfortable for retail, for drivers as well.
So I believe SupaFit Seat Covers and ourselves are working successfully because we offer the customer great value but highest possible quality. So in terms of durability, comfort, wear, our fabrics both in the canvas and the denim offers the top of the line performance features.
So I've had a little bit to do with canvas over the years. When I owned a business, years and years ago, and I used to make swags. My first ever swag was made out of the material made in this factory. Now, how good's that? Now we're talking probably 25, 30 years ago now. And so I understood that it was canvas, came in a roll, it was a material made from cotton, polyester blend, but I had no idea exactly how they made that product.
Our processes, they're very varied, but
Yeah.
we start with the cotton that comes off the farm in the spinning mill. We take the yarn then, make a warp. Then we've got the weaving process. We come through this dye house and we've got the preparation, the scouring, the rotation, the washing, the drying, the dyeing, and then we bring it over for finishing and the value adding. That's where we put the protection into the fabric. So the stain resistance, the waterproofing, the UV resistance.
And then obviously it's easy to put one colour. What about multiple colour?
Yeah, so then that adds more processing, correct, yeah. So if we do a camouflage print for military or fashion camo, then we've got to add the printing process where we've got to make a screen for every colour, and curing after that as well. So.
Curing, and then you've got to, it's got to be trimmed, rolled.
Customers want nice pure fabric and nice and edge straightened, rolled tightly, and then we ship it over to WA for or wherever the customers are, all around the country. Yeah, perfect.
Advantage being Australian made is we know what we need product-wise, we know the strength, we know the reliability proven. We also have someone accountable in Australia for the product. You can buy anything you want from overseas, you try getting a return on it, you don't get it back. So whereas we're about, if we have a problem with our product, we can go to the manufacturer, which is in Australia. And then when you come to the manufacturer and you see 50 people employed, and you feel good that then you go back and you've got people working for you, you don't make as much money as you would coming from overseas, but we employ people that keep a business intact and keep people employed in Australia.
It's grown in Australia using Australian workers, farmers, and then from there, the process to turning it from a piece of thread, cotton thread, into a material that can be cut up. You're using Australian workers to sew the material together. You're using, truck drivers to transport it. You're using people to operate the forklifts. All those people are Australian, and so keeping that in Australia is very important. There's no doubt about it. It has that place, and the SupaFit brand only use Australian products to make Australian SupaFit seat covers. So what's this machine?
This is accelerated weathering, so when we're doing outdoor fabrics we like to see how it performs, and this is 1 month in the machines, like 12 months outside.
So like sun.
Sun, absolutely.
Oh, okay. So it's a tanning machine. I think Simon has one of these at home.
I wouldn't want to jump in there, Jace, but feel free to if you want.